Welcome to the preliminary hearing simulation of the International Court of Justice, focusing on Israel versus Hamas. This ICJ preliminary hearing simulation is run by the World Affairs Council Legal Studies Division. It focuses specifically on the state of Israel versus Hamas. Our learning objectives are to understand how the ICJ works, practice legal argumentation, and learn the differences between state and non-state actors in international law. The core question is to analyze ICJ legal jurisdiction over non-state actors like Hamas. This involves debating the application of the Genocide Convention and determining the ICJ's authority. It is important to note the scope of this simulation. This is not a trial on the merits, nor is it focused on political debate or making moral judgments. No determination of genocide will be made. The ICJ is exclusively a court for states. Its jurisdiction is based on signed treaties and focuses only on state responsibility. It cannot conduct individual criminal trials. Key ICJ precedents include Nicaragua versus United States, addressing jurisdiction, and Bosnia versus Serbia, which considered state responsibility for genocide. The respondent position, Hamas, challenges ICJ jurisdiction, arguing it only applies to state actions and that the Genocide Convention does not cover non-state groups. Arguments for jurisdiction against Hamas suggest that state responsibility can be complex due to de facto control, and that jurisdiction might apply through the principle of attribution. The hearing structure includes opening statements, case presentations, questions from the judges, rebuttals, deliberation, and a final procedural ruling. Judges must strictly apply legal principles, ask clarifying questions, and critically evaluate arguments regarding court jurisdiction before issuing a formal written procedural ruling. The skill-building outcomes of this simulation include developing legal reasoning, practicing oral advocacy, and mastering the interpretation of international treaties. Key takeaways include mastery of international legal analysis, exploring complex jurisdiction over non-state actors, and advanced skills in oral advocacy. Justice starts now. Prepare strong arguments, review key precedents, and focus strictly on legal principles, avoiding political or moral debates. Thank you for participating in the World Affairs Council Preliminary International Court of Justice simulation.